Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Down here at Leeds Urban this morning, as you can see there, got the bridge line at the side of us, and we've got our Harry with us today. And we're going to just have a bit of a session here, a few hours here, chilled ride this morning. We've just done a warm-up lap which I'll throw in now, and we'll take us along for the ride, catch us out there. First run in with our Harry on bridge line, down here at Leeds Urban today. Just having a chilled run this run. Nice. Now Harry's behind me. Line. Nice. Nice. Nice, Harry.
Sick.
So that's the session on the bridge done. Had a chill on that for a bit, done a few laps with our Harry. We're now moved over to the table line. I don't think our Harry's bothering, he's having a bit of a chill, he's knackered. So I'm going to do a few runs on this. I'll take you along for the ride. This young man in today. Nice. So guys, that's another day on the bike done. Me and our Harry here, we're both worn out. We've been here for a good few hours. We're gonna go get McDonald's, I reckon, now, and chill. And yeah, catch you guys in the next one. Take care, see you soon, bye.